Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to set up Respondent Registration Options for your assessment in Agolix. After logging in, navigate to your My Assessments page. For this tutorial, we'll use one of the preloaded assessments in your account, hover over the assessment, then click the Edit link to enter the Agolix editor. Now that we're in the editor, let's head straight to the Results tab, where we can adjust Respondent Registration Options. On the Results page, you'll find the Respondent Registration Options. This is where you decide if and when respondents need to register before taking your assessment. There are 3 options to choose from. The first doesn't require registration, so anyone can take the assessment freely. The second option requests respondents to enter their contact information before taking the assessment. The third option asks for their contact information after they've completed the assessment and before they receive their results. If you select an option that requires email registration, you'll see additional options. One of these is Filter Respondent Email Setting. Enabling this allows you to restrict certain domains for email addresses. Here, you can choose to allow or reject specific domains. You can also enter a custom error message that will appear if an email address is rejected. If you leave it blank, the default message can be shown. Next, you can choose whether to allow respondents to take your assessment multiple times or not. By default, respondents can take the assessment as many times as they like. If you'd like to limit them to just one attempt per email, simply uncheck the box. You can decide if you want to collect respondents' first and last names. By default, you'll collect their email address, but adding first and last names can be useful for your records. Consistency with your brand's voice is important. Under these options, you'll see a text editor box where you can customize the default message for your registration page. If you'd like, select Edit to enter your preferred text. This next step is especially important for legal compliance. Here you'll add your privacy notice, which respondents must check to confirm they've read and agree with your business's privacy policy. If you don't provide your own privacy policy link, Agolix will automatically include a link to their privacy policy for you. Once you've made all of your changes, don't forget to click Save to apply them. Thanks for joining us today. We're always here to help. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more about Agolix's features. And remember, you can always reach your goals with Agolix. Have a great day!